Class 7 Social Science Civics Unit 1 State Government Evaluation Revision. Good morning, children. Wishing you a beautiful day today. Let us revise. Book back evaluation. First Roman letter. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. What is the minimum age for becoming a member of the Legislative Council? Options are A. 18 years, B. 21 years, C. 25 years, D. 30 years. The answer is option D. 30 years. Question number 2. How many states does India have? The options are A. 26, B. 27, C. 28, D. 29. The answer is option D. 29. Question number 3. The word state government refers to. The options are option A. Government departments in the states, B. Legislative Assembly, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 4. The overall head of the government in the state is the options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. Chief Minister. The answer is option B. Prime Minister. Question number 5. Who appoints the Chief Minister and other ministers? The options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Governor, D. Election Commissioner. The answer is option C. Governor. Question number 6. Who becomes the Chief Minister? The options are A. Leader of the majority party, B. Leader of the opposition party, C. Both, D. None. The answer is A. Leader of the majority party. Question number 7. What are the 3 branches of the state government? The options are A. Mayor, Governor, MLA. Option B. Panchayat, Municipality, Corporation. C. Village, City, State. D. Legislative, Executive and Judiciary. The answer is option D. Legislative, Executive and Judiciary. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The governor is appointed by the dash. The answer is President of India. The governor is appointed by the President of India. Question number 2. The leader of the majority party is appointed as dash in the state assembly. The answer is the Chief Minister. The leader of the majority party is appointed as the Chief Minister in the state assembly. Question number 3. Dash is the highest judicial organ of the state. The answer is the High Court. The High Court is the highest judicial organ of the state. Question number 4. MLA stands for dash. The answer is Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA stands for Member of Legislative Assembly. Question number 5. Dash is a particular area from where all the voters living there choose their representatives. The answer is electoral constituencies. Electoral constituencies is a particular area from where all the voters living there choose their representatives. Question number 6. The elected representatives who are not the member of ruling party are called dash. The answer is opposition party. The elected representatives who are not the member of ruling party are called opposition party. Roman letter 3. Match the following. Question number 1. MLAs. Question number 2. Governor. Question number 3. Chief Minister. Question number 4. Union Territories. Question number 5. Fort St. George. The options are Secretariat, 7. Head of the State, Legislative Assembly, Leader of the Majority Party. Now we shall see the answers. Question number 1. MLAs. The answer is Legislative Assembly. Question number 2. Governor. The answer is head of the state. Question number 3, chief minister, leader of the majority party. Question number 4, union territories. The answer is 7. Question number 5, Fort St. George. The answer is Secretariat. Roman letter 4. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. Question number 1. Which of the following statement is or are not correct? To become a governor, 1. The options are A. Should be the citizen of India. B. Should have completed 25 years of age. C. Should have sound mind. D. Should not hold any office of profit. The options are 1. A and B. 2. C and D. 3. A. 4. B. The answer is 4B. Question number 2. Consider the following statements and state true or false. The options are A. MLAs are together responsible for the working of the government. The answer is true. Question number B. All the MLAs of other political party who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition. The answer is true. Question number C. MLAs are not the representatives of people. The answer is false. Question number 3. Find out the correct meaning of bicameral legislature. The options are A. It means that there are cameras in the legislature. B. It means that the legislature has men and women members. C. It means that there are two houses like upper house and lower house. D. It means that the governor is the leader over the members of the legislature. The answer is C. It means that there are two houses like upper house and lower house. Question number 4. Assertion. India has a federal system of government. Reason, according to our constitution, the power is divided between central and state governments. The options are A is correct and or explains A. B. A is correct and or does not explain A. C. A is correct and or is wrong. D. Both are wrong. The answer is A. A is correct and or explains A. Roman letter 5. Answer in one or two sentences. Question number 1. What are the qualifications to become the governor of a state? Answer is a person to be eligible to the post of governor should be a citizen of India, should have completed 35 years of age, should have sound mind, should not hold any public office of profit. Question number 2. Who are called oppositions? The answer is all the MLAs of other political parties who do not belong to the ruling party are called opposition party. Question number 3. Write a note on Lok Adalat. The answer is Lok Adalat, People's Court, also have been established by the Government of India to settle dispute through conciliation and compromise. Lok Adalats have been given statutory status under the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. Question number 4. What is a constituency? The answer is the state is divided into several constituencies on the basis of population. Political parties nominate their candidates to each constituency. All the people residing in that constituency who has completed 18 years of age cast their vote. Question number 5. Who appoints the chief minister and other ministers? The answer is the chief minister is appointed by the governor, who also appoints other ministers on the advice of the chief minister. Roman letter 6. Answer the following in detail. First question. Describe the powers of the governor. The answer is the governor is an integral part of the state legislature. Governor is the head of the state executive and he has enormous powers. All the administration is carried on in his name. He is the chancellor of government universities in the state. All bills become law only after his assent. He appoints important officials of the state government such as Advocate General, Chairman and Member of State Public Service Commission, State Election Commissioner, Vice Chancellors of the state universities, etc. Question number 2. Who is an MLA? The answer is the term MLA stands for a member of Legislative Assembly. He or she is elected through a general election and represents a particular constituency. It is not necessary for one to be a member of a political party to become a MLA. He or she can contest the election as an independent candidate also. Question number 3. What is the role of Chief Minister and other Council of Ministers at the state level? The answer is the Chief Minister is the real executive head of the state administration. He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. The Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the state legislature. All the ministers work as a team under the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister formulates programs and policies for the welfare of the people of the state. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. Roman letter 7, HOTS. Question number 1. Name some departments of the government. Answer is Health, Railway, Finance, Education, Revenue, Agriculture. Question number 2. Tabulate, qualification, appointment and any two powers of Governor, Chief Minister and MLAs. The answer is Governor, qualification, citizen of India, appointed by President of India. Powers, serving as Commander-in-Chief of the state's military forces, convening special sessions of the legislature for specific purposes. Chief Minister, qualification, member of the state legislative, appointed by Governor. Powers, formation of the ministry, removal of ministers. MLAs, not less than 25 years of age. Appointment, elected by the people. Powers, the most important function of the legislature is lawmaking. The state legislature has the powers to make laws on all items on which Parliament cannot legislate. I hope this video benefited your revision. Thank you, children.